Hello YouTube and welcome. In this video I'd like to do with you the unboxing of this welcome deck for the popular game Pokemon. So let's see what we can get in this one. Okay. So here we have Lucario V. Great image. Matchup. Lucario. Energy Fight. Machamp. Another Energy. Machoke. Great Ball. Another Energy. Rockruff. Hope. Switch. Another Energy. Machoke, another one. Machop. Shaune. Another Energy. Evolutions Essence. Another Hope. Energy. Rockruff. Another copy. Sonia. Another Energy. Like a Rock. Great Ball. Potion. Another Energy. Machamp. And finally another Energy. So this is a half deck, a half intro deck. So starts with Lucario V. So this is what I have to share with you. I hope you like it, you enjoy it. Until the next time, see you.